Hi everyone, we're going to evaluate the given integral over the interval 0 to pi over 4. So when we get started, we want to know our Pythagorean identities for trigonometry here. We're going to use that. And we also want to look at our derivatives of trigonomic functions so we can do U-substitution. So what I'm going to do is let U equal tan of theta. Therefore, the derivative of U equals secant squared theta d theta. So I can rewrite this integral, this integrand here, and I want it to have this part for my du, and u is going to be tan. So the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to write this as a secant to the fourth is really secant squared times secant squared. Well, secant squared is tan squared plus 1. Then we have tan to the fourth here. And then we still have another secant, because this one right here was secant squared times secant squared. So I only did one of the secant squareds. So now I can write the other secant squared here, d theta. So now I have my du, and I have everything else written in terms of tan, so I can substitute with that. So let's go ahead and use our substitution. And that's going to be, tan is u, so it's going to be u squared plus 1. And then we have u to the fourth. And then this piece here is just du. Now, the only thing we have to do is change our interval here, since we did substitution. So we substituted u equals tan of theta. So we're going to say that tan of 0 equals 0, but tan of pi divided by 4 equals 1. So now we're going from 0 to 1. And you have to look at that when you're doing substitution. So now we can finish this off, and we'll go ahead and distribute here. So you get 4 to the 6th, not 4, but u to the 6th, plus u to the 4th, du. And now we can integrate. So when you integrate, you're going to get 1/7 u to the 7th plus 1/5 u to the 5th, and we're evaluating from 1 to 0. So when you plug in 1, when you plug in 0, you're going to get 0. So the only thing we need to do is plug in 1, and that's going to give you 1/7 plus 1/5, which equals 12 divided by 35. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.